Hello everyone, I'm Tyler.
And I'm Matt.
And this is Taking Turns, where we take turns playing turn-based RPGs.
Wow, excited much?
Yeah, a little bit.
Good. Alright, so, without much further ado, I say we flip the coin of destiny.
That's really what we're calling it?
It's really what we're calling it.
Dang it! Let's see. Where is the coin?
It's a little further. Alright, hold on.
Oh. You saw it.
No.
Call it again.
No, I got it right. You don't need to do that.
Okay, ready?
No, you have a 1 in 4 chance of getting it right. I got it right.
Okay,
It's my
you got
turn.
it right. You get to play.
Jesus Christ, greedy much?
No, you said it right as I was turning it.
I wasn't looking though.
Here.
Anyways, so I haven't actually played this game yet. Tyler's been the one playing so far, so
He sucks.
basically, bear with me. Boing, boing. Uh-oh, Goombas.
I wonder if we'll win. Probably not.
No, probably. I'm not
Oh,
really sure.
he punched them.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Way to go, Mario. Experience. You don't get experience points, you get experience.
You gained the first experience points of the game. Good job. Proud of you.
No, I'm proud of you.
Because apparently we didn't get experience points in Bowser's Castle where we beat the last boss of the game. Most likely. He would be the last. Probably will be the last. And I'm not spoiling anything because if you haven't seen a Mario game, where have you been? Under a rock?
Bowser is usually the best boss.
Yeah, Bowser kidnaps the princess. We,
That's not really fun.
yeah.
Once they did a mix-up where Mario got kidnapped and Peach saved him. It was a surprisingly good game, except for the fact that, Peach fights using her emotions. But,
Most women do that anyway.
Thank you. Casual sexism, Tyler.
You're welcome. I think you can punch
Why? How the fuck would I punch him?
them. Uppercut.
Of course, how did I?
It's Mario.
That's tough.
Why?
Clearly you've never played Super Paper Mario, in which that shit will not cut it.
I played all 3. Or 4. 4. My bad.
They were
He doesn't count the
I don't.
newest installment. I like it.
It was a betrayal to the series. Why is that a chest?
I don't know.
That's just strange.
This was actually published by Square, so it doesn't surprise me all that much.
What, like Square Enix?
First off. Yes.
I don't really get the damage method in this game. What the hell? That was... What even? I have like 2 health.
No, you have 20 health.
That's not enough. How do I guard?
Okay. It's one of those buttons. He told you on the last video.
Excuse me, who's playing on the last video?
Me.
Exactly. It is your job to know this stuff.
No, it isn't.
I didn't argue that point. And look, I just did. And guess what? I won. Because I was right.
He likes to argue. That's all he does.
I like to win arguments.
It's an A.
I don't know.
It's A. That's what you're doing, you're guarding.
No, I'm not. Because I tried it with different buttons.
That's guarding.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. That's what it looks like.
I take 2 damage. Alright, next time I'm gonna fight. I won't press any buttons at all. Oh, hold up. Yeah. I don't know what. HP, POW, Star Power.
Take a guess on what each means.
Okay. Damage, health, mana, basically.
I think your mana is super low.
It starts out super low. And this game is basically like a precursor to the Paper Mario games, dude.
Yeah, it is.
I mean, this is basically the exact same system. Okay. I think it's this button. Oh, this one. Square.
Oh.
I'm sorry. Sky.
Yeah, I get it wrong.
Forgive me for failing that distinction. You know, it would really help if I had some way of actually seeing my health on off the battlefield. Also, if I got some party members, I can get excessively like not expecting. Holy crap, you're right, I was correct.
Yeah.
So it's anybody. That's weird.
Yeah, it is.
And also doesn't do much.
The thing is, with the Mario RPGs, all of them are practically the same system.
No, well, I guess that's not the RPG. So about to say, Super Paper Mario Wii was completely different. But I realized Paper Mario Wii wasn't an RPG.
Yeah.
I mean, it kind of was. Like, it was a side-scroller RPG. 2D there. And it was really good. You know, it was completely different, but it lived up to the series. Even if it wasn't really paper so much, it was a good game with a great plot and a lot of quality supporting characters. And also, it didn't needlessly hate on movie games I've always hated. Shut up, Toad. Oh, you're giving me shit? Okay, never mind. Thanks, Toad. Love you.
If you've already watched the first video, you'll notice we don't like Toad.
Kind of. Like, he's so insignificant, he's hardly even worth qualifying.
You just summed Toad up in like 1 sentence. Matt thinks he's fabulous.
I am fabulous, and you could never tell me otherwise.
Hey Matt, you're not fabulous.
Can't hear you.
I just told you, so I just proved you wrong.
I can't hear you. This is so easy. Like, I'm literally not doing anything.
They're Goombas! Well, you
know.
did manage to get killed by one.
Okay.
How does that make you feel? You got killed by the most insignificant villain in the game.
Oh my god, that was quite a thing.
Mario. His middle name is Jumpman. Mario Jumpman Mario. That's actually his name.
I know. See, I'm doing literally 40 times the damage. There you go.
Hey Jumpman, let's go play.
Like, what sort of a damage record?
What do you want to play? Hey Frog.
Okay, I see how this cover works. So I jump on top of it, and it slowly rotates me, and I'm facing in the direction I want to go. I jump.
Yeah.
Except that it's what make that. To jump before doing that facing in the direction you want to jump in.
Ooh. You got a flower?
17 penis.
That's real special.
Like, that thing dies with 10 damage. Why do I need to deal 100 damage to
It just wants you to feel overpowered because you're totally screwed over in the next
it? Oh my god, Toad.
Ha!
Will you
Ha!
please stop?
Ha!
Just...
Help me, Mario!
Just... Okay. See, there's an enemy I can't kill in one hit.
It took 2 hits.
Now, it only took 2 hits because I failed to get the hit timing on that.
Boy, that was a close call.
Yeah, look.
Here's a token of my appreciation.
Flower top. That sounds like some sort of bizarre combination of marijuana and LSD.
He got it at the pop house. He forgot an enemy back there. Oh!
I've heard a lot of enemies back there.
He didn't forget you, though.
I don't need to kill every enemy.
He did.
No,
He did.
that was way too much time.
The difference between me and him is I'm an avid level grinder and an avid saver. He doesn't do good things. HP box!
Check this out. I'm gonna save right now. That's this button, right? I hope so. Save snapshot. There, you saved. I have saved.
A snapshot.
Yeah. I mean, saving normally is going to different shit. In case you haven't guessed yet, we're using emulator. Shh, I'm telling you. Uh-oh. Enemies that I can't jump on. Probably. Maybe.
I wouldn't jump on them.
I wouldn't jump on them. Alright. Wow, they do a lot of damage.
Oh no.
Wait, pause. There we go. Start reading. Use our...
That's a common thing for us to do.
Yeah, and I do it. Sometimes it's often 3 times a day.
I do it more often. Ironically, I don't gain weight. Weight is not something that I gain. It's a spiny.
I would say I envy your metabolism, but I envy it. Why did I get the attack by? Oh, right. No,
You got an attack of opportunity.
You shut your mouth. I know all this for attack of opportunity, but that should not qualify for one.
Yeah, it does.
Oh no. Too spicy. Whatever shall I do?
Punch them.
Really?
Just punch them!
I think so. Hey Tyler,
Yeah.
think you can defeat all of the enemies in this area?
Yeah, I think so. You can jump up and hit that guy. Oh, yeah. Did you?
Yeah.
You're gonna die.
Jump man. Damn it, I'm not used to this system.
Oh wait, that's the wrong square game. Shoot.
Yeah, I can't do this. Oh my god. Get out of my way. I mean, you're not doing any better than I am. Hey, look, the first boss.
Hey! Are you looking at me? My hammer not unlucky, fool.
From now on, you get to do whatever you yourself.
Why? Oh, okay, cool.
Alright, let's get this part first. I'm glad I healed. It would suck to start this boss fight with 4 health. Oh, what do I have to do?
Yeah, you have to walk up to him.
Wow, that's...
No, you got my hammer, something.
I know,
Angry. My hammer angry!
Uh-oh. Stop. It's hammer time. I'm not really sure what I'm supposed to go. Okay, you know what? Screw this.
We're ripping so many fucking arrows in this series.
No, we're not.
We
I think if you
just
sing
saved
it
hammer time.
I think if you sing it yourself, it's not. It's only if you play it. That's what I think. Wow. He has terrible aim. On the other hand, I'm dealing terrible damage, so.
It wasn't really a boss battle.
That was not hard. Level up! Ha! I've gotten first 2 levels. Right, so my max HP goes up by 5. My attack goes up by 3. My defense goes up by 2. My magic attack goes up by 2. My magic defense goes up by 5. Ooh, fireworks. That's right, the attack. Oh, second
Yeah,
defense.
definitely.
Thanks, Mario.
That hammer.
I was running so fast I wasn't watching where I was going.
My hammer's covering now.
That's scary.
Oh! Wait, did I get the hammer now?
Yeah, you do.
Cool. Now I can finally hit them harder.
I thought Toad was gonna hit you with it.
I wouldn't put it past this faster.
You never know. It might come in handy. Wink.
You know, because that's definitely not a signature weapon of Mario in this Paper Mario game.
Or any other Mario RPG.
Something that he's repeatedly shown using. Uh-oh.
Definitely not
It
useful.
looks like we're in a town. Oh no! That small person has some sort of fungal growth on their head. I'd better attack them and save them.
Cordyceps. I haven't seen Princess Toadstool lately. What? Bowser's got her again?
He's only had her for like 5 minutes. Jiminy Christmas. Like, somehow I think her, you not seeing her, has more to do with her avoiding than anything.
Eating noises.
Oh no.
What?
His brother was waiting for me upstairs.
All I do is cook and clean.
Wow. Way to go, Mario. The enforcement did a start at
Yeah, she's a woman, so at least she knows her place.
I'm going to kill something.
Spicy.
See, it's not the hitting you in the face that I think bothers you so much. It's just the fact that now you have grease on your face, which is going to cause an acne breakout.
Tastes like sexism.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't care. 1, 2, 3.
Think if I practice enough, I'll jump as high as you, Mario.
I could be mean.
Say sure.
Oh my god! That child has got to be breaking at least 1 law of physics. Probably 7 or 8. Like, he's just going up and down like a jackhammer. I bet they can hear him through the floor just...
What's little Jimmy doing up there? Becoming a man. It definitely doesn't sound like jumping on the bed.
No.
More like thumping on the bed.
Haha, yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh crap, this is this bitch. I'm kidding, I like her. This
Look
is...
what you're standing in.
I've never played this game, but I'm going to bet money that her name is Zesty, and then I just stepped on her contact.
No, her name is not Zesty. Ah, gosh, y'all.
I'm meant to look for you. Oh. Damn it. If any of you didn't understand what I was thinking there, I was referencing Paper Mario the 1,000-Year Door, in which you crush Zesty's contact, and she's super pissed at you until you get her a new one. But then afterwards, for some reason, she decides she's going to cook stuff for you.
And then in the first Mario game, it's Tasty.
Mm-hmm.
And then there's one in Super Paper
But she's
Mario.
nice. Zesty is like super picky. Oh yeah, there's 2 in Super Paper Mario.
Are there 2?
Yeah, there's
Oh
one
yeah,
in
there's one in
flip side and one in flop
flip
side.
side and one in flop.
One of them is nice and one of them is Russian.
Russian.
Whoa!
Why do you give you up? What do you say?
They're getting married.
Oh.
Do you happen to know of a good wedding chapel? Oh my god. Also, all of the male Toads have like really exaggerated eyebrows, I think. No, wait, that's their hair. Holy shit. Whoa, I want that star. How do I get it?
You don't.
Oh, it's a sign. Ha! I knew that.
Sound for the end.
Hey, what's your sign?
Why don't you crash for a while? It'll only cost you
Fuck
3
no.
coins.
It's only good if I actually need it.
You have a house that you can go to.
I do, but it takes a while to gather.
Not really.
Yeah. Oh my god, this guy's this kid's pretty game.
Oh, shut up.
Wow.
Don't talk to me now. Don't talk to me now.
Don't talk to me now. Don't talk to me now. Don't talk to me
Go
now.
talk to him again.
Suck my dick. Suck my dick. I'm not doing that. Oh, wow. When you stand on beds, you just automatically bounce.
Yeah.
Even if it's, you know, one person.
He has 4 subs, so he doesn't care. What?
What? I actually need to replenish my flower power. That peach sign makes me suspect that we're not quite right about what's happening here. However, I think that is a good place to finish up the episode.
I do too.
We didn't get very far, but
It was.
we got to town.
It was interesting.
Well, town, so I'm gonna press this button. I'm gonna press this button, and then we say goodbye. Alright, I'm Matt.
And I'm Tyler.
We'll catch you on the flip side.
Yeah, that's totally our gimmick now.
Yeah, that was kind of the point.